Just going to do a quick video on getting the trailer set up, mostly just setting up the table. So come up my ramp here, walk myself up, and my tables right now are strapped up against the wall. Usually do that for traveling. Those brackets at the top are for the old table. I'm going to be coming up with something new for that, but I'll show you how I set these up and how long it takes. Sorry about the wobble there. So basically I just come over. Right now I just got some boards wedged underneath. I'll pull those out. Make sure nothing's in the way. Then they just come down, and as you can see, I've got these legs are just on a pivot, and as they fall, the table just falls into place. Just give it a little pull, set them, and that's that side. And I can come over here, do the same thing to this one. And it just comes down. It'll sit right on there. And what I do is I bring in this little Allen key, slide these forward, and just tighten them up. And this bench is now ready to go. 8 little set screws. Just tighten them up. And the spacing stays where it's supposed to. And what I'll do now is I'll grab my router. And we'll just set it in place. Rotor's ready to go. I do have a table saw that goes on the end. I'll show you that in a different video. Thank you very much. If you have any comments or questions, just put them down below. I'll be doing some more upgrades to the table. Thanks, bye.